Imagine this. You walk onto the stage, the lights are bright, the audience is watching, and your heart is racing. Most people fear this moment, but those who master it, they change lives, including their own. And that's the power of public speaking. It's not just about giving a speech, it's about finding your voice, it's about standing tall with confidence, it's about expressing your idea so people listen, and inspiring others with nothing more than just words. Public speaking transforms you, it shapes and sharpens your thinking, opens doors for new opportunities, and turns you into the kind of leader people want to follow. And now it's your chance. On Saturday, September 27th, 2025 at 9 a.m., WabsTalk proudly presents the 80th International Public Speaking Championship. And this isn't just another event. This is where fears are shattered, friendships are born, and voices echo with passion. Picture yourself in an auditorium filled with dreamers, doers, and change makers, all united by one goal: to speak, to connect, and to inspire. Whether you are a beginner taking your first step or a speaker ready to showcase your skills, the stage belongs to you. So do not just watch from the sidelines. Step up, step out, and make this moment your moment. Join us and let your voice be heard at the 80th International Public Speaking Championship.